Yo guys, welcome back to a another video on Hurricane Estelle, which is now 80 miles an hour, pretty sure, 85 to 90 miles an hour. It's about 85 miles an hour. It's meant to become a major hurricane, but they backed off that a little bit. It was supposed to be a major hurricane for 3 days, and then they changed it to a major hurricane for 2 days, and then now it's only meant to be a major hurricane for 1 day. So there's the cone of uncertainty. Let me know if you like the new thingy. Let me know if you like it like this, horizontal, or if you like it vertical. So anyway, it's 85 miles an hour with movement at west-northwest at 12 miles an hour. Hurricane Estelle, Sunday, July 17, 2022, 9 PM Mountain Daylight Time, Advisory 9. Center location 15.7 degrees north, 107.1 degrees west. Minimum sustained winds of 85 miles an hour. Movement west-northwest at 12 miles an hour. Forecast predictions. It's a tropical cyclone. Sustained winds for a tropical storm. It needs to be 39 or greater. And for a hurricane, it needs to be 74 to 110 miles an hour. Major hurricane 110 plus, and post-tropical potential tropical cyclone 39 miles an hour. So basically we'll have winds of 40 miles an hour as a potential tropical cyclone. But doesn't mean, if you have a potential tropical cyclone, doesn't mean it will get named. We've had potential tropical cyclones out there before which haven't got named. Like, all the potential tropical cyclones, all the named storms that we had last year from the in the Atlantic. We had PTC. We had Fred was a PTC. Grace was a PTC. Elsa wasn't a PTC. Don't know what else is PTC, but I know those storms are only before I carry on talking about Estelle. Do you guys want me to do? Comment down below if you guys want me to do like England weather, American weather, Chinese weather and all that. Like, not just typhoons or hurricanes or cyclones. Do you want me to do like the actual weather and the temperatures? Let me know down in the comments below. I don't mind doing it if you guys don't mind me doing it. If you guys don't mind. But if you guys don't mind, I'm still doing it anyway, because I don't do YouTube for the money. I do YouTube for the passion. So anyway, about tropical storm, Hurricane Estelle, should I say. Hard name to say. The convection is waning on it a little bit. Earlier on, this had full blown convection wrapping around the central circulation, and all of this bit was puffing up in that red to dark colored canal tops. But now it's only 40 around these edges here. Maybe touching 60 if you're lucky, but 60 to 70 degree cloud tops are wrapping around the center of circulation. Now, don't take that as a grain of salt. Oh, this thing's going to become a major hurricane. We don't know what it does. If it does something in the next 24 to 36 hours, then it'll be something. But this is a Estelle 75 knots, pressure of 984 millibars. Intensity guided models. Most of them are backing off a little bit from a category 3 peak. Only one model wants a cat 3 peak, and I think that might be HWFI wants a category 2. CMEI wants a category 1. Yeah, CMEI wants a category 1. Purple Line. HWIFI wants a weak category 1. Well, moderate cat 1. Black Line. The OFC1 wants a category 2. Blue Line wants one of the blue lines. CTCI wants a category 3, a moderate category 3 out of this system. So mostly they want moderate category 3 to category 2, but category 2 is not out the cards, but most models are sticking with category 2 to category 1 status, as you can see here. Only one model takes it to a category 3. So I will show you now the forecast models. The Atlantic is meant to be getting pretty active towards the middle of June, as the as the middle of August, should I say. I'll just play it along through for you guys. So, got a large tropical wave coming off the coast of Africa. The high pressure is still in range. Still up there. You do have a little system that does try and develop off the coastline over here. Same with another one. So if that does happen, that will become Danielle and Earl. If that does happen, so as you can see, the Eastern Pacific has more activity. There's my one. This storm there does look like it's going to be do something, and this one here looks like it's going to do something. Now, whether they become named, we don't know. We just have to wait and see. But I'll show you HWR for Estelle. Right now, let me play it out for you guys. Keep watching the millibars. They don't really want the system to become kind of strong, the HWRF. They're backing off it significantly. But still, a category 1 still can do quite a bit of damage. GFS, Estelle. I'm gonna play out. They want this to be a brief category 3, which I am hinting on it becoming a cat 3, but I'm just sticking with the NHC goes. So yeah. Anyway, before I end the video there, I'll have to show the Enzo forecast, because looks like La Nina might be coming back after all, because it is dipping down. As you can see, this is where we were in April, and then obviously it was dipping up and down, dipped back to neutral, and then stayed at neutral, and now it's dipping back down again. So yeah. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoy this video. Like, comment, subscribe and share. And stay safe from these hurricanes, tropical storms, pests, weather. And if you live in the UK, stay hydrated because of that 40-degree heat that we're going to have tomorrow and Tuesday. I will do an update on it tomorrow, but I will leave the link to the Met Office and the NHC in tomorrow's video, so stay tuned for that. So yeah, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, share. Don't forget to share this video with your family and friends on social media, because it will really help boost the channel, and put my videos out there on recommended so more people can watch it, and it helps the algorithm. So anyway, peace and have a good day.